Hi guys, Vidadian here. I would like to show you one trick or drill, if you like, which helped me to build flexibility of my ankle. An example, when you go in a squat and you see people lifting your heels, that's the sign of lack of flexibility of your ankles. You need to be comfortable and down there. So how you can improve that? I'll use this parcel as but it's better to use a wall, which is easy, but for the purpose of this video I will use the parcel. So the thing is that your heel needs to stay flat and you reach with your knee towards the wall, in this case parcel, and move us slightly back and you feel the stretch. And when you reach the point, when you start lifting, you see that you lifting the heel, then you're too far, so get back a little bit where you still can keep the heel on the floor and hold that stretch, and over time you will reach further and further. Okay, with the both legs of course. So building slightly. You can also measure if you want your progress with some mark or something to put on the floor, or you can use a tape measure how far you can go. Okay, thank you guys.